Hey friends, welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm Leo and today's episode is made especially for beginners. You want to improve your English, but maybe you're unsure where to start. You want to see progress, but you don't know the very first step to take. In this lesson, I'll share a different kind of plan. A plan that makes learning English feel simple and maybe even enjoyable. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about something really useful. Themes. So, what is a theme? A theme is just a topic, a subject, something to talk about. For example, travel, school, clothes, food, or weather. Each one of these is a different theme. Now, here's the big idea. Each week, focus on just one theme. Not 5, not 3, just one. Why? Because when you study one theme, your brain can focus better. You understand more, you remember more, and you don't feel so tired. Let me show you with an example. Imagine your theme this week is food. That means every day this week you focus only on food vocabulary. You listen to short audios about food. You practice making small food sentences. You don't try to study animals, clothes, grammar, and verbs all together. You stay focused only on food. And little by little, your brain makes stronger connections. The food vocabulary stays in your memory. You can learn words like rice, bread, eggs, soup, and chicken. You can build simple sentences like, I eat bread. My dad cooks soup. You can watch a video about shopping or cooking. Even if you don't understand every word, it's okay. Your ears are getting used to real English. The next week, maybe your theme is home. You study words like bed, chair, kitchen, mirror, and table. You write sentences like, I clean the kitchen. I sit on the sofa. I open the window. The week after, maybe your theme is feelings. You practice words like happy, worried, bored, nervous, excited. And you can say sentences like, I feel excited today. She looks tired. He is happy. This is slow learning, but it's strong learning. You're not rushing. You're not stressed. You're building English like building a house, one room at a time. One theme at a time. You can write your weekly theme on paper or on your phone. Each week, one new theme. After 10 weeks, you'll know 10. And step by step, you'll be able to speak more, understand more, and feel proud of yourself. So remember, don't try to study everything. Study one theme at a time. Stay with it, practice it, and enjoy it. Now let's talk about something many learners forget, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to learn faster. Emotions. What are emotions? They are your feelings. When you feel happy, that's an emotion. When you feel sad, that's an emotion too. You might also feel nervous, proud, angry, surprised, or excited. But what do emotions have to do with English? The answer, everything. When you feel something, your brain remembers more. Your brain learns better. Let me give you an example. You hear a funny joke in English. You laugh. You smile. You feel happy. That sentence stays in your memory. Why? Because you felt joy. Or maybe you listen to a short story about a mother and her child. You feel warmth. You feel love. You won't forget it because you felt something inside. This is how real learning happens. Not just with your eyes. Not just with your ears, but with your feelings. So how can you connect emotions to English? First, watch short videos or clips. Not just to understand words, but to feel the emotion. Even if you don't understand every word, look at the faces, listen to the voices, feel the scene. Second, listen to English songs. Songs are full of emotions. Love, hope, sadness, excitement. Listen with your heart. Maybe one line touches you. That's wonderful. That feeling helps you remember. Third, read simple stories. Stories always carry emotions: surprise, fear, curiosity, peace. Even a very short story can make you feel something. That emotion will help you learn deeply. And here's one more idea. Talk or write about your own feelings. Say things like, "I feel relaxed. I am proud today. My friend is worried." When you use your own emotions in English, it becomes personal and real. It's not just a language anymore, it's a part of who you are. This is exactly how children learn, with emotion, with connection. So don't be afraid to feel something while learning. That feeling is part of the journey. Now, let's talk about another important idea. You don't need to spend hours every day studying English. You don't need long, boring sessions at a desk. Instead, you can practice with small English moments. What's a moment? Just a short time. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Tiny, easy, simple moments. But these small moments are powerful. They add up. They help you grow. For example, in the morning you wake up, stretch, and brush your teeth. Say just one sentence in English. "I feel sleepy. The water is cold. I have a meeting today." That's one small English moment. During the day, maybe you walk to the bus stop. You look at the sky. Say something like, "The sun is bright. It is cloudy." There are many people today. Another small English moment. When you open your lunch, look at your food. Say the names in English. "This is bread. I like apples. The tea is hot." That's another moment. And before bed, review your day in 2 or 3 sentences. "I went to work. I talked to my brother. I watched a video." That's your last English moment of the day. Now imagine this. In one single day, you had 4 or 5 English moments. Each moment just 2 or 3 minutes. But together, they are strong. They help your brain learn slowly and naturally. When you do this every day, English becomes part of your life. Not something you only do on weekends. Not something heavy or stressful. It becomes a habit, just like drinking water or brushing your teeth. It's part of you. That's the secret. Not hours. Not pressure. Just small, beautiful English moments every single day. Real things. Most people start learning English with a book. Some people begin with an app. But I want you to try something different. I want you to start with your real life. Yes, your home, your street, your kitchen. The things you touch, the people you see, the routines you have every day. This is where real learning begins. Look around you. In the morning, what do you do? Do you make coffee? Do you open the window? Do you check your phone? These are real things, and real things are the best for learning. Here's how you can use them. Go to the kitchen, open the fridge, look inside. Stop for a moment. Look at one item. Ask yourself, what is this called in English? Maybe it's milk. Maybe it's butter. Maybe it's something new. If you don't know, that's fine. Just check one word. Only one. Not 10. Just one. Because one word today and one word tomorrow slowly becomes many words. Let's try outside. You go for a walk. Look at your street. Do you see a tree? A dog? A car? Do you see a traffic light? A person talking? Say the word in English if you know it. If you don't, look it up. Choose just one word, that's enough. Now that word is part of your day, and that's powerful. Because when you learn this way, you're not just studying English. You are living in English. It's not just a subject in a book. It's part of your daily life, part of your world. And that is the best way to grow. Okay, my dear friend, you made it through this whole episode. That means you are learning already. You're moving forward. You're doing something powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You only need to keep going step by step, day by day, moment by moment. And remember, you're not alone. There are many learners like you, growing slowly, practicing kindly, learning with love. You are doing something amazing, and I'm proud of you. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. I'm Leo, and this is the English Flow Podcast. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.